So according to American Muscle, you're gonna have to mess with these bolts right here, 1, 2 for the strut tower brace, and 3 and 4. And according to them, like with the stock hood, which is this is stock hood, it should be able to go over no problem. You'll be able to close the hood and all that jazz. So let's see. Okay, so there's a Boss 302 tower brace. I didn't install it. I'm just retrofitting it, see if it'll fit or not. And it looks like it will. Let me try actually closing the hood to see what's going on with that. All right, so okay, so yeah. So if I install it, it definitely would fit. And I'm closing the hood as if it would actually close. So now let me just relift it, actually do the install, and show the before and after. Okay, I'm back. So here is a 14 millimeter screw or socket. So hold on. Okay, I noticed that when I have like something to do, like everyone interrupts you, but when there's like nothing to do, then like no one bothers you. But anyways, so I've been looking through my toolbox that's in the trunk, and from what it looks like is that you need a 14 millimeter socket, a long socket, and then we're just gonna unscrew 1, 2, and then over there 3 and 4, and then you just put the strut tower back on. You put the strut tower on, and then 4, 3, and 2 and 1, and then that's it. So okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 screws are off. So now we just put the strut base in, as easy as 1, 2, and 3. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way. See that? Just sits there nicely. Then you put the screws back right where they belong. So then, after you put the screws back on, or the nuts or bolts, or I'm not as savvy as everyone else, but after you put them back on, you tighten it back up with these bad boys right here. So give me a minute. Okay. Now, the strut brace is on, nice and secure. So when I took it off, I just took it off, the way I wanted to. But when I put it back on, when I tighten it back up, wow, freaking people. Anyways, so when I tighten it back up, I tighten this part first, right here, 1, and then I crossed over, and then did 2, and then I came back over, did 3, and then 4. So when I was in the Navy. I mean, I was told like when you're tightening things back up, you kind of like crisscross it. I'm pretty sure, you know, it's common knowledge, but I found that information out when I was in the Navy, so I'm just going to reference that. And other than that, you have your whole entire strut base right there. You also have arrows facing forward, letting you know which direction that it should face. So the arrows is coming this way, so that's how it should be. And yeah, now we're just going to close the hood. I'm using my head before I actually fully close it. And let's see if it fits, which they said it would. So and there we have it. The Ford 302 Boss strut brace. Maybe there's going to be a very slight improvement in suspension. Who knows? But we'll find out.